I'm first.
Oh yeah, I remember. We're the soul. I thought I didn't remember. I was okay. Let's go. I will see you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Okay,
Today I will be playing Sacrifice Sanctuary with Elemental Muas, my special friend.
Why did you say anything? Why you say hi?
Let's start the video. Okay, let's do this.
I haven't started. I'm not summoning.
Okay, I'm already in. Hurry up, Elemental Muas.
Mine's laggy. Where am I? I don't know.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm not in.
There's blood everywhere.
I can't.
Why am I in the pink? I'm in a pink room.
I can't see anything. I can't even go in. I'm not in.
But for
Okay.
I am in a pink room.
We're in a pink room.
You're a red room. I'm a pink room. Lol. Any display names here? Nilly?
We're in, guys. So the first mini game. Where am I watching it? OMG!
Why?
Why this one? I hate this. Ow! I have played this one. I become a royalty. No, I was like, I have been a royalty, but I didn't do this. I have lost this time.
This is my first time playing this. This is my first time playing this one.
I have played this one.
This is my first time playing this.
It's really hard. Have you done it? Oh, you died. I saw you. Ow! Guys, if you have done this before, please show me any tips. How do you win? Please comment down below.
Yes.
And smash that like button. Don't forget it. Smash it.
Yes, don't forget me.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so far. I was so far.
I'm not doing anything. So it's gonna be a long time. So let me pause this video and do the run. Oh yeah.
Yoyo berries.
I just almost made it.
Yes, me too. I'm struggling.
Ah!
I'm struggling so bad.
Well, remember the last time you lose in that gem grabbing? I lose too. I played that thing and I lose. I only get the red gem.
That time I only got the blue and red because the green one was so hard.
Yeah, I only got red.
It was teddy bears, right?
Yeah, and you have to go back, so that's so hard.
Ah! Why is this so hard? Oh. I'm just going to jump sideways. I think I'm almost there. I don't know. No!
Trouble.
We're in trouble. But I'm still trying.
I can't move my mouse.
Okay, I'm trying my super duper best. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Please just get this over with.
I can't get this up.
Oh, wait, I'm the royalty.
Wait, what?
Oh, I think I know why. Because maybe one of those, because just now I went so far. I was almost there. I was only one more jump and then I'll win, but I died. I think it's like
God,
that.
Stop being looking down here.
Now I'm the real king of bacons.
Stop it, I don't know. Oh my gosh! What happened to my face?
Now I'm the real king of bacons.
The real king of bacons?
Yes.
I
Oh,
haven't even started the recorder. We're launching. Where's the recorder thing? My recorder thing is lost. Okay, my record button is literally locked. Record button.
I root for VGRD. VGRD.
Yeah. I want to.
Go, boys.
My recorder is gone.
Lol.
It's literally gone.
Go, boys. Oh.
My record button is gone. I don't know why.
Only small jumps, VGRD.
Oh my god, I can't even record a single video. My record button is gone. I don't know how I did that. Cancel the video thing.
Cancel?
Because it didn't came, man, this is wrong.
I'm still doing the video. The record button is gone. How weird. How did you do that?
I want to cancel it. It didn't show up.
Lol. Yes, go VGRD. Go VGRD. Please. Yes. Yeah, take that, girls. Boys the winner.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tommy some. Even though your name.
I thought it was Tony Stark.
Even though you are a girl, your name's still a boy.
Yeah, it's like a boy. Tony Stark. He's stuck. Good job, VGRD. I did you want to get revenge. You want to get revenge. I'm setting.
I think he wants to get revenge on me.
I don't want to buy a new chair. I don't want to buy a new chair. Should we buy a new chair? Should I buy a new chair?
How many coins do you have?
I have 310 for one game.
I got 250.
How could you get that much?
How to get?
Wait,
Oh,
what?
shops.
Chain reaction.
Chain. Oh, yay! I'm here. Hello, I'm up here.
I know you're dead.
No, I'm not. Look behind you. Look behind you. I won't do anything. Yay.
What is it?
Orange.
Orange. Oh my gosh. Bye-bye, people who didn't press. My heart finished ripples.
Let's see my crowns. It's 350.
What, my crown?
Yeah, but I'm gonna save money to buy the ice crown. That is
It's orange
sick.
again. It's orange again.
Come on, Moas.
Trying to be alive.
Oh, I think I know how to play this round. You gotta click the color I gotta click the color quickly.
Oh, what the fuck? I died. I died, man. Gotta click the color quick. I know. We are clicking the color quick. Die, someone, die. Yes.
There's only 2 more people.
Red.
Whoa.
Oi.
The first one, I chose it. It's nearly XD. Up against Elemental Moas. Mr. Toto.
Man-face. Mr. Toto.
Go for boys.
Yeah, boys rule the world.
Go boys.
No, not go.
Go boys. Back
Not
to
you. I think he's going to say F you, you know, right?
Go boy. You know how it is. Tell me when it's over.
Okay. You're going and then he'll die in lava.
Bye guys.
Mr. Toto die in lava.
Bye guys.
And he's trying to